A Kentucky man took his fight against a jail bill to the state Supreme Court.
David Jones was arrested in connection to a child pornography case. He spent more than a year in jail and then bailed out. After months of investigation, police found no evidence against Jones. It turns out someone else was using his IP address. Charges against Jones were dropped, but the bill for his time in jail was not. Olivia Russell breaks down the argument in front of the state Supreme Court.
14 months in jail cost David Jones more than $4,000, even though the charges against him were dropped. His attorney argued to the Kentucky Supreme Court that the bill should have been dismissed when the charges were, protecting his constitutional right of presumption of innocence.
Our argument is they are entitled to be paid, but a judge decides what's fair. That's due process.
The $4,000 bill goes toward all costs to book, house, and feed inmates at the jail. Jones already paid part of that when $256 were taken from him at the time of his arrest. The attorney representing Clark County argued the jail does have a right to bill all inmates, and they don't decide who's booked or who's guilty.
Now, as harsh as that may sound, that's the law.
The county's attorney said it doesn't plan to reimburse Jones for what he already paid, but the jailer also isn't fighting for the remainder of the bill.
We have taken no steps, nor do we intend to take any steps, to pursue collection of that $4,000 bills from Mr. Jones.
But Jones's attorney said that's not enough.
And if this court rules the way the defendants have asked this court to rule, they can pursue collection on that $4,000 bill.
The future of that $4,000 bill lies in the hands of the Kentucky Supreme Court. In Clark County, Olivia Russell for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
It's still unknown when the Supreme Court will hand down its decision in this case.